Welcome back to RenovationX, your go-to channel for everything, home decor, luxury interiors, and transformation ideas. Whether you're a fan of sleek modern styles, classic elegance, or bold statement pieces, we've got something for everyone. Our mission at RenovationX is to inspire you to transform your living spaces into stunning havens of comfort and style. Today, we're diving into a trend that's taking Dubai by storm: wallpapers. And trust us, this is not your average wallpaper talk. We're talking about turning plain walls into extraordinary art pieces that tell a story, showcase your personality, and elevate your home to a whole new level of luxury. Think about it, your walls are the largest canvas in your home. Why settle for dull, flat colors and you can create a visual masterpiece that grabs attention the moment someone walks in? Gone are the days of simple, boring walls with nothing but paint. Wallpapers today are sophisticated, textured, and designed to make a bold statement. They've evolved into a powerful design tool that can completely change the mood of a room, add depth and texture, and even create a sense of luxury that traditional paint simply can't achieve. In a city like Dubai, known for its opulence and cutting-edge design, it's no surprise that wallpapers have become a must-have in every stylish home. Whether you're living in a chic apartment overlooking the Burj Khalifa or a grand villa in Palm Jumeirah, there's a wallpaper design that can perfectly complement your space and reflect your unique style. Wallpapers are no longer just an afterthought in interior design, they've become a defining feature that can transform any room into a showstopper. From bold geometric patterns to elegant florals and metallic accents, there's a wallpaper trend for every taste and personality. And here's the best part. Wallpapers are one of the easiest ways to upgrade your home with minimal effort and maximum impact. Whether you're looking to create a cozy, welcoming atmosphere in your living room, a serene retreat in your bedroom, or a stylish statement wall in your office, the right wallpaper can make all the difference. It's a game changer in home decor that allows you to express yourself, enhance your interiors, and add a touch of sophistication without breaking the bank. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to boring walls and hello to stunning transformations, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll be exploring the hottest wallpaper trends in Dubai, showing you how to choose the perfect design for your home, and sharing expert tips to ensure flawless installation. And remember, if you're planning a home makeover, RenovationX is here to guide you every step of the way. So hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and let's get started on creating the home of your dreams. Whether you're living in a high-rise apartment overlooking the Burj Khalifa or a villa in Palm Jumeirah, these trending wallpapers can transform any space. Dubai is a city known for luxury, innovation, and style, and guess what? Your walls should reflect that too. So, if you're ready to upgrade your home with minimal effort and maximum impact, you're in the right place. Cut to a montage of wallpaper styles, geometric patterns, floral designs, metallic accents, and 3D textures. In this video, we'll take you through Dubai's most sought-after wallpaper trends, how to choose the right one for your home, and tips on installation. Plus, we've got some insider recommendations from top interior designers in Dubai. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to transform your walls instantly. And remember, if you're thinking of starting a home makeover, RenovationX is here to help you every step of the way. So, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Wallpapers are making a massive comeback in Dubai's interior design scene. Why? Because they offer a quick and easy way to add personality, texture, and luxury to your home. In a city that's always setting trends, wallpapers are now a symbol of sophistication. Unlike traditional paint, wallpapers bring depth and character to a room. Take this space, for example. With just one wallpapered wall, you can completely transform the look and feel of a room. Dubai homeowners love it because it's an instant upgrade. Plus, there are so many options available to match any style from ultramodern to classic Arabic motifs. Let's talk about the top wallpaper trends in Dubai right now. First up, we have geometric patterns. These are perfect for creating a modern, sleek look. They're bold, stylish, and make a statement. Next, floral designs. These aren't your grandmother's florals. We're talking oversized, artistic, and sometimes even abstract floral patterns that add a touch of elegance and freshness to any room. Another trend: metallic accents and 3D textures. These are perfect for adding a touch of glamour and luxury to your space. Imagine a metallic gold accent wall that catches the light beautifully. It's a game changer. Geometric patterns are everywhere in Dubai. From hotel lobbies to private villas, these designs are timeless and elegant. They give a contemporary feel to any space, making it look both chic and sophisticated. And the best part, they work in any room, be it your living area, bedroom, or even the hallway. Now, let's move on to florals. Modern floral wallpapers are bold, oversized, and abstract. They add vibrancy and energy to a room. Imagine a tropical floral design in your living room or a delicate pastel floral in your bedroom. It's all about creating a focal point that stands out and enhances your interiors. Metallic accents and 3D textures are also trending right now. These wallpapers add an extra layer of luxury to your walls. Imagine walking into a room with a metallic gold accent wall that shimmers as the light hits it. It's absolutely stunning. These designs are perfect for those who want to make a bold statement. And the best part? They're versatile. You can use them in living rooms, bedrooms, or even bathrooms. Choosing the right wallpaper can be overwhelming with so many options available. But here's the key: always consider the room's purpose and your existing decor. For example, in a bedroom, you might want something calming and elegant, like soft florals or pastel tones. For a living room, go bold with geometric patterns or metallic accents that make a statement. Lighting also plays a huge role. Natural light can make wallpapers look different throughout the day. So, always test samples before making your final choice. Now, let's talk about installation. The key to a perfect wallpaper look is proper installation. You can go the DIY route, but for best results, we recommend hiring a professional. They know how to handle tricky patterns and ensure everything lines up perfectly. Preparing your walls is essential. Make sure the surface is clean and smooth. Use quality adhesive to ensure the wallpaper sticks well and lasts longer. And always take your time to smooth out any air bubbles. A perfectly installed wallpaper can elevate your home's look instantly. We hope you found this video inspiring. Wallpapers are a fantastic way to transform your home instantly. And with so many stunning designs available in Dubai, there's no reason to settle for boring walls. Remember, at RenovationX, we're here to bring you the latest trends, tips, and inspiration for your home makeovers. If you loved this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content. And if you're ready to start your wallpaper journey, reach out to us. We'd love to help you transform your walls. Until next time, stay stylish, stay inspired, and remember your dream home is just a makeover away.